Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss some questions from the different exercise. So the first question we will solve now from chapter 1, exercise 1D, page number 26. Question number is your 17. Okay, so question number 17, you can see a shopkeeper had 12 lakhs with him. He placed an order for 55 air conditioners at rupees 20,825 each. What will be the amount left with him after he purchased? So first of all, what we will do, total amount he has. So total amount we will write total amount, that is with him 12 lakhs. Okay, and he ordered how many air conditioner? 55. Okay, so when he orders, so total amount for he pay for the order, so paid amount, so total he buy 55 air conditioner. So as we think that suppose we buy one toppy and for that we are paying 5 rupees, we buy 10 toppies, so how much money we will pay? 10 into 5. So likewise we will do here. So that is total 55 multiply, and the cost of one air conditioner is, it is given 20,825. So what we will do, we will multiply these two. You will multiply, you will get 11 lakh 45,375. So once you multiplied it, it means that that man paid 11 lakhs 45,375. So now total amount left, so amount left will be total amount with him, it was 12 lakh, and now he just spent 11 lakh 45,375, and when you will subtract these two, you will get 54,625. that is the answer. Got it? Once again you can see, you can understand the total amount he has 12 lakhs paid, means he buy 55 air conditioner for rupees 20,825 each. We multiplied it, that was the total paid amount. So left amount was 12 lakhs minus 11 lakh 45,375. So this is the left amount and this is your answer. I hope you understand this one. Next you have to take out page number 29, that is, and question number 7, exercise 1E, question number 7. Give the estimation to nearest 10, 100 and 1000 of the following. So we will solve this question now. So let us solve here. Question number 7. That question number 1 I am going to solve. Okay, 7 sub question 1. Give estimation to nearest 10, 100 and 1000 of the following. Question is 892. So first of all we will do it nearest 10. 10 means ones, tens, and we will round this 9, put the arrow, and we know the rule, if greater than 5, what we will do? Plus 1. Equal to 5, we will do plus 1. If it is less than 5, we will do plus 0. So this is the table. By this left side of this circle you just check the digit 2, so that's why we will do 0 because it is less than 5. So after rounding up we will get 8. This right side of this, left side of the circle, whatever the digit we will write the same. So that is 8. Here 9 plus 0, that is 9, and this 2 became 0. So after rounding up, you will get 890. That is your round up nearest 10. Next we will round up nearest 100. Same number, 8, 9, 2. For 100, ones, tens, 100. Circle it, put the arrow. Here is what? 9. So greater than 5. So we will do plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. The same, 9 will be 0. 2 will be 0. So your answer is 900. Again we will do 892, but we will do the nearest 1000. So ones, tens, 100. But at 1000 place no any digit, so we place 0. And we will round this 0. Now put the arrow. Now check this, just right side of this circle digit there is 8, so that is greater than 5. So what we will do? Plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and this 8 became 0, 9 became 0, and 2 became also 0. So your answer is 1000. Got it? So this is the round up nearest 10, 100, 1000. So likewise you can do the rest also. So now we will solve the next question, that is from page number 30. Take out the page number 30, exercise 1F. Question number that is 1-7. That is your question number 1, sub question 7. The question is 4, 7, 3, 4, 8 minus 2, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so in this question, estimate first, then write the sum or difference, find the sum to check your work. So here you have to estimate, but before solving this question, I want to add one more thing. In this question, there is now not given you have to round up nearest 10 or 100 or 1000. It is not given. So what you will do? Here is not given. You have to round up nearest 10,000 or 100 or 10,000. It is not given. But you have to estimate. So what you will do? So for this type of question, what you have to do? You have to check the smaller number. In these two, which one is the smaller number? And check the place value of that, maximum place value of that smaller number. Means how many maximum place value of in this number. Check that, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here the maximum place value is 1000. So in this type of question where no any round up value is given like 10, 100 or 1000, so what you will do? You have to check the smaller number and find out the what is the maximum place value in that smaller number, and then that up to that you have to round up both the number, which means ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here is the 1000 the place value. So it means here also we have to round up nearest 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, put the arrow here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, put the arrow here. So plus, here is the 3, so it will be 0. So 4, 7, 0, 0, 0 minus, here is what? 2, here is 2, so plus 0, so it will be 2, 0, 0 and 0. Here we will get 4, 5, 0, 0, so that is 45,000. So after round up and subtract these two numbers, we get 45,000. Now we have to check it also. So how we will check? So we will check. So question was 4, 7, 3, 4, 8, and we have to subtract 2, 2, 6, 7. So here we will subtract. So here will be 1, 8, 0, 5 and 4. So now here you can see again we got the number. This is 445081. So we have to again round up nearest 1000, because in earlier we have done round up nearest 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place arrow, put it here. Here is 0, so it will add 0 only. So 4, 45,000. So that is 45,000. You can see this 4 became 40, this is 80, this is 000. So here you can see in both you can see here 45,000, here also you can see 45,000. So it means our answer is correct. So our checking is correct. Number 7, exercise 1G. Number 5, we will solve number 5. That is the question. Question is 7, 9, 8, 2 divided by 7, 8, 9. What you will do? You have to round up. So how you will do? Again the same method. There is not given. It is nearest 100, 1000 or 1000. It is not given. So what you will do? You have to check the smaller number. Here this is the smaller number. What is the maximum place value? 1 times 100. So we will round up nearest 100. 1 times 100. Again we will round up nearest 100. So you will round up once. You will get 8000 divided by 800. So once you divide, you will get the answer. Its answer you will get 10. When you divide, you will get the 10. So now how you will check? So to check this, what you will do? You have to divide. Simply you can divide like your 7, 8, 9 and divided by 7, 9, 8, 2. You will divide. One time you will divide 7, 8, 9. That is, here will be 9, 2. Further we cannot divide, so we place 0. So you can see this answer is quotient is 10. Here also you can see 10. So our check is over. So our answer is correct. Got it? Now next you take out the page number 33. Okay. In this 33 you can see that question number from the mental math, question number 2. Okay, question number 2, that is how many 5-digit numbers are there in all? Question number 2, mental math, you can see how many 5-digit are there in all. So this type of questions if it is there, so what you have to do, in question they are asking 5-digit number. So first you write 5-digit greatest number. Okay, so what will be the 5-digit greatest number? 5 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what you have to do? Just minus 1. In this digit minus 1 means 4-digit number you can write now. 4-digit greatest number you can write. So 4-digit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is a blank. So and what you have to do? Now subtract. When you will subtract, you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 9. So this is your answer. 90,000 is your answer. Okay, if there is a 6-digit, you have to write here 6-digit greatest number and here 5-digit. If 7-digit, here write the 7-digit greatest number and 6-digit smallest number and subtract that. Okay, now next question we will solve page number 34. Take out the page number 34. Question number you can see that is from the revision exercise, that is number, here you can see number 9. Okay, number 9. Okay, in this page number 34, question number 9, you can see in your book. That question is to use estimation to compare, fill the blanks for by the sign of equal to less than, equal to or greater than. So how you will solve? Look, that question is given 3, 9, 2, 5, 5, 0 plus 5, 6, 2, 3, 4 blank 6, 8 multiply 5, 7, 7, 8. So how you will solve? First of all, must you have to put the comma, like for the Indian system, after 3-digit comma, then to 2-digit. Okay, so now first of all we will do the round up. So how you will round up? We will take these two as a together. So check here, how many First of all, we check the which is the smallest number. So of course this is the smallest number. Now in this check how many place values, maximum place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So same here we will take ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Put arrow here. Also here you can round up this digit. So 3, 9, 0 and 000 plus you will round up this one, you will get 6 because here is the 6, so plus 1, so you will get 6 00. So your 60,000 we got from here. Okay, now same here is the blank 68. So here is the minimum is 68, so we will round up nearest 100, so you will round up nearest 100, so you will get here 70, and you will round up here, you will get it 5,780. Now once you add it, you will get 10 lakhs 50,000. Okay, this is your blank. Once you multiply, you can multiply in your copy nicely. So now you will check that this which number is greater number. So of course this is greater number, so you can put this arrow. Okay, hope you all understand. If any doubt, any query, please you can ask. Okay, thank you. I hope you can solve this exercise up to exercise 1G, this first chapter. All the questions you can solve in your copy. Okay, thank you.